Dear student, I am Rafeequl Islam, Lakhipur Hasanbagh Secondary Girls School, Kushtia Sodor, Kushtia. Now we are starting our class. Today we discuss Unit 2, Lesson 1, English, Class 8. Unit 2, Food and Nutrition. Today's our dear student, listen to food and nutrition. Lesson 1, good food. Lesson 1, good food. Here some key words. Nutrition, nutritious, nutritious. It is adjective. Nourishing, substance, essential, physical, bodily, structure, a frame. Lesson 1, Section 1, you can see there is a picture in here. We think it is a classroom and there are a teacher and some student in here. The student listen carefully what the teacher says. Now I read the passage and you listen carefully. Mrs. Rehana, the English teacher, is talking to the class about food. Food is very important for our body. She says, we can't live without it, so you must always have good food. What's good food, teacher? Asked a student. Good food means the right kind of food for good health, says Mrs. Rehana. It is nutritious. It must contain natural substance that our body needs to grow properly and stay healthy. But remember, you must not eat too much. The food is good. Eating too much is bad for health. You have to eat only a certain amount of food that your body needs. So we do not need the same kind of food in the same quantity. It depends on your growth and physical structure. Dear students, now we discuss Section B. Section B, you see there are 5 questions in here. Number 1, what is Mrs. Rehana talking about? What is Mrs. Rehana talking about? Answer, Mrs. Rehana talking about food. Number 2, Why do we eat food? Answer. We eat food because it is important for our body and we can't live without it. Number 3. What is meant by nutritious food? Answer. Nutritious food is good food which contains natural substance. Number 4. How much food would a person need eat a day? Answer. A person needs to eat only a certain amount of food a day that his body needs. Number 5. Does everyone need the same amount of food? Why? Answer. No, everyone does not need the same amount of food because it differs according to growth and physical structure. Have you clear? Dear student, now we discuss section C. Section C, completing sentences. You can see there are 4 incomplete sentences. You complete these sentences. Number 1, we should eat good food too. Complete. We should eat good food too. Grow properly and stay healthy. Number 2, we should not eat more than our body needs. Number 3, eating too much food is not good for health. Number 4, good food means the right kind of food for good health. Have you clear? Dear student, now I give you homework. Now I clean the board. Tomorrow your homework. Write a paragraph. Good food. No more today. See you again. Thanks.